Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'll be showing my new DeepCool RF120R cooler. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So yeah, as you can see, we've got some screws, cables, and the cooler itself. So yeah, I feel like it looks pretty good. So let's plug it in and see how it looks. So right here, I plugged it in, and let's see how it looks. So yeah, these are the after results. I feel like it looks good, and we did a good job today. So that's will be it for this video. Thanks for watching.